Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
Company registration in Panama. Step 1. Organize the name and structure of your company. As with the most countries in Latin America, the first step to registering a business is to choose the name and legal structure of your company. The main type of companies are 1. The corporation or joint stock company. 1. A limited liability company. This will help provide insulation to you as an investor and will mean you are not personally liable for the debts or funds of the company. Step 2. Draft and sign bylaws. The bylaws of a company can be simply described as the constitution of a company. These documents will contain all the crucial information of the structure and ethos of the company, including Number 1. For information regarding the frequency and nature of shareholder or board meetings. 2. Documentation of all the details of the company. Procedure for record keeping. Company's objective or social with identities, the company's business activities. As part of the signing of the bylaws, it is necessary to appoint and disclose information to your shareholders. A new company must have 2 or more shareholders and at least one must Panamanian nationality or residency. Equally, the board of directors and legal representatives must be appointed and the information about their residency. Step 3. Register your company. Next process in the formal registration of your company. This step will ensure that the company is officially recognized in the country and that it is properly registered with the relevant tax authorities. This is the most complicated step in forming a company in Panama and has some sub-steps involved. These include presenting your company's bylaws before a public notary in Panama. Once you have successfully received a public deed, you must register before the public registry of Panama. Register the society before the Journal Office for Taxation, before the district municipality upon election and afterwards, and before the Ministry of Commerce to provide notice of the operation. Register the company before the Ministry of Labor to be presented before the Social Security Fund of Panama. Don't forget, it is not necessary for you to be present in Panama to complete your corporation formation, as we can handle everything for you via email and on the telephone. Non-resident Panama companies do not require a commercial business license to operate offshore businesses. Commercial licenses are only required for Panama Corporation to do business within the territory of Panama. Step 4. Open corporate bank account. The final step is to open a Panamanian bank account for your company. These are 3 simple steps to this process. 1. Partner with a local group in Panama. 2. Match your business needs with a suitable Panama bank. 3. Complete all required banking documentation. According to research from the banker, 41 of the top 100 Central American banks are in Panama. The country boasts some of the best banks in the region in terms of attractiveness of investment and security for assets. Banco Journal, Bladex, etc. Did you know Panama does not impose any reporting requirements or offshore income taxes for Panamanian corporations? Thank you.